Ready to turbocharge your ASCP prep? Here's a wild fact. Students who use MLS Asked Exam flashcards recall up to 80% more key info on test day, and most miss this. Today, you'll discover how MLS Asked Exam flashcards can make the difference between passing and retaking. We'll show you how top lab pros use them, common mistakes, and where to get the best digital cards for your routine. MLSIacademy.com is built for lab professionals chasing ASCP success. Everything here is designed for you. So, first thing, MLS ASCP exam flashcards are not just simple memory aids. They break the exam content into bite-sized pieces, helping you master blood bank, chemistry, microbiology, and all ASCP domains way faster than basic cramming. Second, experts combine MLS Asked Exam flashcards with quizzes, live classes, and mock tests. Why? Because just flipping cards isn't enough. You need to practice applying knowledge, not just memorizing facts. Don't fall for the myth that flashcards are old school or only for definitions. Digital MLS Asked Exam flashcards let you target weak areas, track your progress, and keep learning on the move. Common mistake: making your own from scratch and missing key topics. Always use flashcards built by MLS experts who know what's actually on the ASCP exam. Thousands of lab pros have passed using expert-led prep from MLSIacademy.com. That's live classes, video lessons, study guides, QBanks, and premium flashcards all in one platform. So here's your recap. MLS ASCP exam flashcards are your ultimate study tool for ASCP success. Explore digital flashcards, lock in those tough facts, and supercharge your review. Want more? In our next video, we'll unpack MLS ASCP exam prep. So hit subscribe or check the channel now.